Greetings, this is Don, and thank you for joining me for some yoga. Let's begin with the mountain pose. In doing so, let's be sure to focus on our breathing in and breathing out. As we switch to a prayer pose, let's receive all of the goodness into our hearts and into our minds, continuing to breathe in and out. And as we place our hands to our sides, let's welcome in the light. That light entering our core and shining throughout our body. As we switch to a chair pose, let's begin to release all of the things that we can't control. Let's release the uncertainty and the doubt. And as we transition to the warrior pose, let's mentally prepare to take on the day head on, knowing that whatever happens, we will survive, we will overcome, and we will live to see better days. And as we bow, let's receive life with gratitude, thankfulness, yielding again all the things that we can't control, focusing on our breathing. Let's focus our day on positivity.